weather service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Oscar, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Jefferson County. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.